Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, done with the promotions. Now what's the main topic? So today's video is all about ice cream. Chilling.
Ice cream, chilly, ice cream.
So yes guys, in today's video you'll get to know what are the different types of ice cream that you will be able to enjoy when you are in Gangtok. If you are here in Gangtok, you are lucky enough, and if you're coming to Gangtok, you'll get to enjoy the variety of ice cream that you have never heard of, okay? But the ice cream shop that I'm talking about today is really different and unique. You know why? Because they are locally made, and the best part is, guys, it is so delicious. And if you look the variety of their ice cream, you will going to be, what the hell is that? And another thing, best part of being a consumer is that their price range, guys. Their price range is affordable as hell. The shop that I'm talking about is none other than
Booza Scuba!
So now we're gonna talk with the owner of the shop and we're gonna test different types of ice cream that they serve here. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So here's the ice cream shop called Booza Scuba, which is located in New Market, MG Mark, which is opposite of Hotel Tibet. The best part of this shop is they are locally made, and here's my friend Ravina, who is jumping like a monkey. Please excuse that. And can you see their price range, guys? In this price range, they serve the variety of ice cream, which is really delicious.
This video, my friend Ravina is here to help me. None other than the one and only Ravina Tamang. Drum roll, please. So yes, guys, this is the littlest shop that we have, but please don't get discouraged because it is little. I hope you guys have heard the saying chota packet bada dhamaka. It is exactly same like that.
So this is Agathudin.
Hello.
Tudin Gensaba. And this is Sandeep Dada. He's known as Tinku Jia. You can find him on Instagram.
Yes, okay. So now we come to know that this little shop serves
Little shop.
little shop, chota packet bada dhamaka.
You know why the shop is little? Because they are huge. I'm not like it's little.
Yes, and yes guys, so try to know more about the ice cream shop. I know that out of 100%, 80% of the people love ice cream without any doubt. And yes, so why you guys decided to name your shop as Booza Scuba?
It's not Booza Scuba,
Okay, what is
Khasma.
Booza Scuba?
It's Booza. You used to say it wrong.
Booza Scuba.
You
Yeah.
say it Booza.
Oh my god, is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we had a lot of names we had thought about, and then Booza Scuba. It has a nice ring to it. And then Booza means ice cream in Arabic. And we rhymed a scoop of ice cream into Scuba, so Booza Scuba. That's the whole
Okay.
story about the
Cool.
name.
Cool.
So, and how many flavors that you serve in this particular shop?
So,
Because normally, in my opinion, I have only heard vanilla, chocolate, and
Yeah, out of the box.
strawberry, right? Strawberry, right? Or mix of chocolate and strawberry, or mix of vanilla and chocolate. So I can see here that I don't know whether I'll ever in my life I will be able to remember all the name of the flavors, but it looks like they have many. So how many flavors that do you guys have? And
So we can only display around 20 flavors at one time, right? So, but we have lots of flavors to go and lots to be. Yes.
106?
Flavors.
Oh my god, okay.
So that will be coming up slowly, in the future days. And right now we can only display around 20. So we're keeping at 20. We keep on changing the flavors. So some of the flavors are permanent and some we keep on changing.
okay, so which one is the highly demanded ice cream? From the
Okay,
shop?
so there's always been a change of ice cream that is usually on demand, right? So currently, cotton candy is very much in demand. It's like highest selling ice cream.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Okay, so cotton candy is the highest one, okay? So cotton candy is the highest one. So now it's time for us to, test some flavors. Test some ice cream.
I would want you to taste the Dudley one.
Yeah, that's the first one.
Yeah, Dudley,
So we can we talk about
Yeah.
Dudley? How did Dudley come?
Can just because even the name of the flavors is
It's so
really quirky
out
and
of the
unique.
box.
Yeah, out of the box. So let's get started with the flavors now. Trying icy hot dalle, okay?
Reaction ASAP.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Piro! But it's tasty.
Piro in a good way. Can
Yeah.
you believe it? When you first, just test it, you'll not get that piro, okay? But slowly you get that flavor. Oh, dalle!
Yeah.
Nice, but nice. I
That's
like
the
it.
chick.
So Ruvina is trying
Tangy tamarind.
tangy tangerine. Okay.
Slippery.
How is it? What is this?
Good. I
Yes,
love Pooja Scoopa's ice cream, so I just love it.
So how did you feel? I think you're trying this flavor for the very first
you know
time,
what
right?
my favorite ice cream flavor is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Butterscotch.
Okay, so
This is
butterscotch.
naughty
Butterscotch.
butterscotch. And
And she's just the flavor is just like her naughty Ruvina.
it's so good.
Okay, so the Ruvina's favorite is naughty
Butterscotch.
So now this is another unique flavor we have. So this is activated charcoal with sesame.
I've never tried charcoal as an ice cream.
It's known as black matter.
But
Dark.
Dark matter.
Yeah.
the name of the flavor is ice cream is
Dark matter.
Dark matter.
No. Okay, so let's try it. It is not that sweet. It is not sharp.
Yeah.
It's like everything is mixed up. It's like balanced.
Balanced
Yeah.
ice cream.
I've never, the color is awesome. Best seller.
The best seller is
The cotton candy.
the cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Also known as the rainbow ice cream by the kids.
Okay, the rainbow ice cream, cotton candy, anything.
Yeah. Can you guess what the flavor is?
Yeah.
Can you guess what the flavor is?
Butter.
Butter. No.
I don't know.
Tastes like bubblegum.
Yeah, bubble
Yeah.
gum.
Ah.
Yeah, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. My God, so
So good, yeah.
Classic vanilla.
Okay.
This is Irish cream. Tipsy Irish cream. Icy hot dalle. Peanut butter and jelly. Mixed berries. Juicy Alfonso. We have green tea matcha as well. This is the tangy tamarind. Let's go nuts. This is all about nuts. This is salted caramel. This is cookies and cream. This is naughty butterscotch. This is strawberry creme dolce. This is red velvet ice cream. Tender coconut. Cotton candy. Pink guava twist. Chocolate chip delight. Blueberry cheesecake. And dark matter.
Oh wow! So can you believe me, guys? They have 20 flavors here, and they look delicious, and they are delicious, by the way.
And one more thing.
Okay, one more thing.
When you eat our ice cream, it doesn't go to your stomach.
Exactly.
It goes to your heart.
Heart.
Because we sell happiness.
Yes, and you must listen to your heart.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, can you show the thing corn that you serve?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the cone.
They have two different types
Make
of
our
corn.
own- No.
Oh, okay.
So we make waffle cones.
Okay.
So every day we have different colors
Okay.
like black, blue, yellow, green, orange, red, purple. This is what we like to call this is the fusasa color.
Oh my God, I'm in
This is
love.
actually
I'm in
fuchsia,
love with the
okay.
color of the corn. Nice.
That's fuchsia, but then
We
it's
call it-
very tough to pronounce. We call it fuchsia.
Fushasha. Fushasha. Okay. So this one is also the same, right?
Yeah, these are also the same. This is the cone maker.
Corn maker. Okay. Can we just
make
open
fresh
that?
cones every morning.
Oh yeah.
So that's why we have like limited cones per day.
Okay.
We only make we don't want to have overnight kind of thing. So we make it fresh in the morning.
Okay, so guys, all I wanted to say is that I'm so sure that when you come here and try these ice creams, only thing that comes in your mind is, oh my God, yes. So they have different types of toppings you can see here.
So this is James, right?
Okay,
This is Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops.
We have pearl balls. It's colorful ones. This is sprinkles. There are stars, the golden and silver balls. This is colorful disc, and we have butterflies as well.
Butterflies as well. So yes, as ice cream, just like ice cream, they also have varieties of toppings. So guys, I know that this is cherry on the top. So just go for it. So Ravina is trying her all-time favorite naughty butterscotch, and I will try this, cotton candy. So let's go. And if you come and if you happen to meet the one and only naughty Ravina, you'll get entertained by her ukulele skills. I'm your no complicate all time is sure. This is a thing. I'm your You can follow them on their social handle. That is Instagram, Facebook. So this is one scoop. Round
One
scoop.
scoop of cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
And which sprinkles do you want?
I'll make for her. No.
Okay. Add the best one.
Come, I'll show you what I'm gonna put. Okay, so I'll add,
Ooh, it looks delicious.
and then for my butterfly, you are my butterfly.
Okay. You are my butterfly.
I'll add some butterflies and stars, la.
Okay.
Yellow stars, pink star, and
Yeah.
तुम्हारे लिए
धन्यवाद.
ठीक है.
Favorite?
I'm never
Naughty
Butterscotch.
butterscotch.
never switching on this flavor.
Never.
अस्ति एकखेप चाहिँ धोका दिँदै सब्जी खाएर मलाई
Okay.
दानी हाल्यो.
So that is Ravina's butterscotch.
Yeah.
There are lots of gems.
There's lots of jam.
I just want 2 gems.
How many?
2 gems.
Seriously?
गोजीमा दिनु सक्दैन. आधी चाहिँ गोजीमा.
Okay.
Isn't it delicious?
Looks so cute.
Yeah, super cute. Yeah.
I asked him, "Chao, yeah, this is. He's not making good. Oh,
It's a face.
it's a face.
Eyes, nose, mouth.
Happy smile.
Oh, Moina.
Guys, if you don't have cash with you, the best part is that you can Paytm them or GPay them, online transaction. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Yummy. 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 Oh my god. Let me try it.
It's okay, ni. This is trying. She's not trying. This is trying.
Yummy. Wow, so good. So guys, we have just collaborated with Bhuja Scuba, and it was such a nice experience, and I get to test her favorite, what we call it, flavors and different other flavors, so it's really good. I'm so thankful to Bhuja Scuba, and guys, if you are here in Gangtok, please do check out Bhuja Scuba, and you must try different flavors from them, and damn, and yes, I would highly suggest you to try Dalle as well. Dalle flavor.
And what did you eat?
And I had that cotton candy. The rainbow ice cream. You had,
And I had
naughty
butterscotch.
butterscotch.
That's my favorite.
You must check out Bhuja Scuba and enjoy such delicious flavors from Bhuja Scuba. So you know the drill, right? What they have to do, Ravina?
You have to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.